Good morning, students. Today, our online classes topic periodic classification of elements. In this topic, the NEET exam one maximum question, maximum 2 questions, minimum 1 question compulsory. They ask in the exam. Means eight marks will come from this chapter. Periodic classifications. Now, I'm going to explain the topic. Dobinier law of triads. Dobinier law of triads. Now, this law was introduced in 1829. In this one, according to this law, the elements in the group, the same group, the elements which are having similar properties, these elements was arranged in the same group. In that group, they have set of 3 elements are present. This set of 3 elements are called as triad. He could succeed in making of only few triads, not all for all elements. Now here see the first triad: lithium, sodium, potassium. It is one triad. So, calcium, strontium, barium. Second triad. Phosphorus, arsenic, bismuth. Third triad. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Triads. But which is not triad means other than this one. For example, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. This is not triad. An example: beryllium, calcium, magnesium, calcium. This is also not triad. But it was given only few elements. It was given the triads, but all elements not possible. Purpose. This law was rejected. Later we have one more law. They was introduced, that is Newland law of Octavius. Newland was given the set of 8 elements in the period, the group, that is called as law of triad. In this one, he was arranged the increasing order of their increasing order of atomic weight, and in that order he was observed every 8 element it's showing the similar properties of first element. Every 8 element it's showing similar properties of first element. Now you see the statement: the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic weight of every. So every 8 elements has similar properties of first elements. See the example here. We know our Indian tradition: Sarigama Padanisa. Sa is the first, 8 is the sa. They are similar. Our elements, the properties also same of first element and every 8 elements. Now you see the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and sodium. The sodium, it shows the similar properties of first element, that is the lithium. Now it is a one law of Octave. In the law of Octave, it is having 8 elements. They are similar properties. The first element and 8 elements. Was arranged the second one. So it is a sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium. This potassium also is showing similar properties of first element, that is the sodium. Next one, calcium. It is this law of Octave applicable up to for the elements of calcium. After elements of calcium, those elements are not showing similar properties of first elements. Then this law was rejected. After that one, we have the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev was given the periodic table, that is called as Mendeleev periodic table. He was arranged the physical properties and chemical properties of elements and also periodic functions of their atomic weights. That is function of increasing order of their atomic weights. Now in this one, he was observed some properties. He was classified the elements into the periodic table. His periodic table is divided into 9 vertical columns are called as groups. And 7 horizontal rows are called as period. In the Mendeleev periodic table, how many vertical columns are present? 9 vertical columns. How many horizontal rows are present means 7 horizontal rows are present. It is very important, these two. Now in this one, what is the merits of or advantages of Mendeleev periodic table? Now the first time all the elements were classified in the groups in the periodic table. Now and also he was given unknown elements, means we need to discover the elements. For that elements also he was given the uh, for the position of that elements. Now here see some elements: eka aluminum, eka boron, eka silicon. These silicon and eka magnesium, manganese. These elements are what were not discovered, but later we discovered that elements. Now we have discovered that elements is gallium, scandium, technetium. These elements are later we discovered, but when the Mendeleev periodic table was discovered, in that one they have vacant positions are available for the discovery of new elements. In that one these are the elements are not, they was given the name but it is not. Nowadays we need to change it that this is elements, new elements, but it was given the name of that elements that with vacant orbit, vacant position of the in the periodic table. Now what is the demerits? What he could not to able to explain. That means what he could not able to explain. That means now he was not given the exact position of the hydrogen. The hydrogen it can shows the position of first A group and seventh A group elements, but the position is not exactly discovered. And the position of isotopes, few elements are there showing different atomic weights. In that different atomic weight, same atomic number, that is this different mass numbers, that is called as isotopes. Then this position also what I want to explain. Now anomalous pairs of that anomalous pair means what he was taken the increasing order of their atomic weight, increasing order he was taken, he was arranged in the periodic table. But in the case of argon and potassium, but in the periodic table we are seeing in the periodic table argon is will came first, after that one potassium is came. Why it is showing equinotype? That is this in this one it is atomic weight is 40, atomic weight 30, but it was said the information is increasing order of atomic weight, but is the less it is the more, highest number is the highest, is the lowest, but in the order it is getting decreasing order. The similarly in the case of cobalt and nickel also this cannot be able to explain. That is the reason this is a anomalous pairs of the effect. That is these three also rejected. Later we have the next concept, that is modern periodic table. Modern periodic table, the properties of elements are the function of their atomic numbers. He discovered the new property, that is the atomic numbers. Then this one based on the increasing elements were arranged increasing order of atomic numbers. It was arranged a periodic table. In this periodic table 7 periods are present. These 7 periods we can call 7 horizontal rows are present. These 7 horizontal rows are called as 7 periods, and 18 vertical columns are present. These are called as groups. Now in this one n indicates the principal quantum number. Then indicate that principal quantum number. Now the characteristics of the modern periodic table. Now the first character we can see in this one, the periodic table we know already 7 periods are present. In that one first period it is consist of only 2 elements. The first period is consist of first period, for P nothing but period. The first period it is only 2 groups, 2 elements are present. Now these groups name they was given very short period. Later the second period consists of 8 elements. This is called as first short period. Now third period it consists of 8 elements. This is called second short period. Now the fourth period it is consists of 8, it contains 8 elements. The fourth period now it is called as first long period. Now fifth period is consists of 18 elements. It is also called as second long period. Now sixth period is consists of 32 elements. It is called as very long period. Very short period is 2 elements. Very long period is 32 elements. It is now seventh period is incomplete. Now going to discover the new elements. Now it is incomplete. Now after that one lanthanides actinide series. These elements are sixth and seventh period of the third group, the respectively. These groups are lanthanides and actinides. Each group consists of 14 elements are present. They are included in the group of third group and the period 6th and 7th. 6th is the lanthanides, 7th is the actinides. Now the next one, the third period from the sodium to chlorine are called as representative elements or typical elements. This is called as typical elements. Now valence and elements in a period increase from 1 to 7 with respect to oxygen. Now examples here: NaO oxidation number is 1, oxidation number is 2, oxidation number is 3, oxidation number is 4, oxidation number is 5, oxidation number is 6. Now year to year it is increases. Now from the left to right in the period, left to right nothing but in the period, atomic weight, ionization potential, ionization enthalpy, electron affinity, these will be increases. Now atomic radius and electropositivity, metallic character, these will be decreases. Now diagonal relationship is explained. Now the lithium, these are the first, this is the second period element, these are the third period elements. Now second period elements is diagonal relation with the third period, that is the lithium with the beryllium, lithium with the magnesium, beryllium with the aluminum, boron with the silicon. They are similar properties, similar size, these properties are similar. Then second period elements are called as bridged elements. They are forming, this is a bridge, these are called as bridged elements.